We are going to see some blood relation type questions which are a part of mathematical reasoning in UGC net exams and many other exams. So here is the question. A girl introduced a boy as the son of the daughter of the father of her uncle. The boy is girl's dash brother, son, uncle or son-in-law. Now while solving these types of questions, two important points have to be noted down. That is, the first one is generation gap and the gender. Now as you can see, here we have represented female in a circle shape and male in a rectangular shape. And the other important thing is always start with backward sequencing. Now in this question, overall there are 5 people. That is the uncle, uncle's father, father's daughter, the daughter's son, and the girl who is the narrator. Let's first take the narrator, that is the girl. So we mark with a round shape, that is a circle shape, and the girl is referring to her uncle, so which is one generation higher. So that is why we write it over here and we mark it with a rectangular shape which denotes male. Then the next person in the question is the father, that is father of the uncle. So again, which is one step higher. So we write it here, that is the father. Then the girl is referring to the daughter of the father. So it is one generation down and we write it besides uncle. That means the uncle and the daughter are the siblings. And the last person which the girl was referring is the boy. So the boy is written here as he is the son of the daughter. The boy is mentioned here. So with the solution is like the boy and the girl belong to the same generation. That means the boy will be girl's brother. Let us try to solve the next question. A is the father of B, C is the sister of D, D is the brother of A. How is D related to C? C is D's uncle, D is C's uncle, D is C's nephew. Now following the same rules as we did in the previous question, let's do the backward sequencing. D is the brother of A. So let's write A, and since it is the brother, that is the same generation, so we'll write it horizontally D. C is the sister of B. Now there is another person B and C who are siblings. Here it is given A is the father of B. So since B is the son, it is one generation down, so we are going to write it like this. So the question is, how is D related to C? Now here we have to find the relation between D and C. Now we can see here that there is a generation gap between D and C. So what we can conclude here is D is C's uncle. Let's go to the next question. If John is the brother of Sarah and Sarah is the mother of Tom, how is John related to Tom? Tom is John's uncle. Tom and John are brothers. John is Tom's uncle. So in this question, there are 3 people, John, Sarah and Tom. Sarah being a common point between John and Tom, let's write it in the center. Then Sarah is the mother of Tom. So as it is one generation down, we can write Tom here below Sarah, and Sarah and John are siblings. That is, John is the brother of Sarah. So Sarah and John are siblings. That means they belong to the same generation. So they are written horizontally. Now the question is, how is John related to Tom? As you can see, there is a gap of one generation between John and Tom. So John is Tom's uncle, as he is brother of Tom's mother. So he is Tom's uncle. So the answer is John is Tom's uncle.